Welcome to the new tutorial made for beginners and beyond called Discover the Art of Photography. Maybe you own a camera but struggle with how to use it, or maybe you just want to improve the quality and the beauty of your photos. This video series will make you feel happy and artistic and excited to find your own path through the world of photography. In episode 1, we'll discuss the process of learning through curiosity and discovery. I'll walk you through setting up your camera, taking your first photo, and then how to edit them on your computer. In episode 2, I challenge the traditional teachings on composition. I show live examples of composing and editing landscape and people photos, and I illustrate many different compositions and situations. Episode 3 will help you discover your own path to your own art. I will show you a process and a system to becoming a better photographer. I show you live examples in a park and a candy shop, and we dip into some advanced techniques with Adobe Lightroom. During episode 4, I'll help you move past the learning curve of post-processing. I show you the basics of Adobe Photoshop and introduce you to an advanced style I use called HDR, or High Dynamic Range Photography. I know you'll get a lot out of this series, and you'll feel more excited, more active, and more creative. See you soon!